what you're putting in. All your hopes and efforts are all in vain.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a no-bake lemon icebox cake, and this will be a great little summertime dessert, and it's real easy too and budget friendly also. So let me get started on this easy recipe. The first thing I'm going to do is put in my Jello lemon mixture. I'm using 2 boxes of it. Lemon instant pudding mix, and I put in 2 packs of it. And so I'm going to put in 3 cups of milk. So I'm going to beat this up. Alright, so now I'm going to be folding in my Cool Whip to my pudding mixture. Some people say that this is better to just leave it in the refrigerator overnight, but we'll probably have ours this evening so I can do the taste test on it. Alright. After much stirring, now it's time to put in my crackers. Right here. I think I'm going to put just a little bit of this pudding mixture on the bottom so my crackers won't move around. The recipe didn't say do that, but I think that this will help. Alright. So now then I'm just put my crackers down. Alright, and now I'm going to spoon in a layer of the pudding mixture. Yeah, that helps a whole lot of the graham crackers not moving around in my glass dish. This is really going to be a good dessert tonight. I hope everybody is having a good weekend this week. It's beautiful here in Georgia today. Okay. Right, so now it's time to do the next layer. I love these snow-baked desserts. Okay, now it's time for the next layer. And I'll end with a layer of just graham crackers. I make this another way too, using chocolate. Alright, so now I'm going to put on the last layer. If you don't like using Great Value honey graham crackers, you can use the brand you like. I don't like everything that's Great Value, but I do like a lot of their stuff. Okay, now then I'm going to do the icing. Okay, now I'm going to be making my frosting. So I'm going to be putting in 2 cups of powdered sugar. And I'm going to be putting in a stick of softened butter. And I'm going to cream this together. Okay, now then I'm going to be putting in my milk. Okay, and I just put in my milk, and so now I'm going to be putting in my lemon juice. And this recipe will be in the description below. Okay, I've got that mixed up, and I'm going to put just a little bit of yellow food coloring in my icing. It didn't say do that, but I can do what I want to. Okay, so now I'm going to mix it up. Okay, that made it have a pretty yellow tint to it. So now then, it's not very much icing, so I hope that it'll spread all over here good. But it is kind of thick, thin. I'm going to put this in my refrigerator and let it cool until this evening, and then I'll come back and do the taste test. Okay, I just got my lemon icebox dessert out of the refrigerator, and so I want to try to get a piece of it out and do the taste test. So this the recipe said that it's even better if it's in the refrigerator all night. But this has been in there several hours, so hopefully it's set up good enough that I can get a good piece out. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, that came out really good. Okay, there we go. Okay, now I'm going to do the taste test. Okay, I'm going to go over here on this side. It tastes really delicious.
Marie, does it have a good lemon taste?
It does, and it's got a cool, refreshing taste to it. And on a hot day, this would be a really good dessert to do for the 4th of July too. Okay, and also I have another dessert called, it's a lemon blueberry dessert, and Calvin will put that in the description below too, and that would be a good summertime dessert for the 4th of July. So it's not really our mealtime yet. I was just doing the taste test. This is so good, I'm tempted to eat all of it before I eat my supper tonight, but I'm going to refrain from it and wait till then. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and see you on the next video. Bye.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance?